who says he delivered his own daughter at Bethesda Hospital. On Sunday, when it was time for Zahir Ali's wife to deliver, he says their doctor left them alone in their hospital room so she could go perform a C-section, an emergency C-section, on another patient. While the doctor was gone, Ali says he delivered his own baby. Bethesda Hospital just released this statement today saying the doctor did check Ali's wife and felt that she had time to go perform that C-section and then come back. However, Ali's wife's labor progressed faster than expected. The hospital says a nurse rushed in to assist the couple deliver their baby. Both mom and baby are doing fine, we're told.